Welcome to Sheboygan Chevrolet Chrysler Center. Today's special is a like new GM certified 2019 Chevy Equinox LT all-wheel drive. Stock number X435XX. Only 2,000 miles on this one owner. Clean auto check history report. Pepperdust metallic and colored. To be GM certified, the vehicle goes through a very strict 172-point inspection, giving you the balance of a 3-year 36,000-mile bumper to bumper and a 6-year 100,000-mile powertrain warranty. You also receive an additional 12-month 12,000-mile bumper to bumper and 2 years or 24,000 miles of scheduled maintenance. Seats 5, cloth interior, lots of legroom for the rear passengers. Split seat back fold down to accommodate longer cargo items. Equinox is a very safe vehicle with advanced safety features like blind spot monitoring, cross path detection, backup camera, and rear parking sensors, all helping to give it a 5-star front and side government crash rating. Power liftgate for convenience, lots of cargo space in the rear. Seats will fold from the rear as well, giving you a lot of flexibility for cargo and passengers. And of course, very clean, no dents or dings in the body. This LT has keyless entry with remote start, power windows, locks, mirrors, height adjustable power liftgate control, power driver's seat, along with a tilt and telescopic steering wheel that puts you in that perfect driving position. Large, easy to read gauges, again only 2,000 miles, with driver information system controlled by buttons on the steering wheel, cruise control. Large touchscreen infotainment system for radio. It's also satellite radio capable. Bluetooth connectivity for hands-free phone use or to connect to other Bluetooth-enabled devices. Great for wireless music streaming. It's Apple CarPlay and Android Auto compatible. And that is, of course, where the backup camera display is. Dual-zone automatic temperature control with heated front seats. USB and auxiliary input allows you to connect those mobile media devices. All-wheel drive lock. Automatic transmission with manual shift capability, and lots of storage space in the armrest. Spacious glove box, and home-link transmitter for garage door opener overhead. Under the hood, this Equinox has a 1.5-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder, 170 horsepower. And just as clean under the hood as the rest of the vehicle. Excellent fuel economy, especially for an all-wheel drive crossover. EPA average of 25 miles to the gallon in the city, average of 30 on the highway. Again, only 2,000 miles on those tires. Don't forget about that GM certification, protecting your investment. For more information, please go to Sheboygan Auto.
Choose Sheboygan Auto. We're conveniently located at 3400 South Business Drive or at 2701 Washington Avenue in Sheboygan, Wisconsin. SheboyganAutos.com.